I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's. I'm gonna eat till I can't no.
Okay,
I got
well,
the boogers
anyways,
on the back.
So today,
Trailer attached.
okay, stop. So, why are you singing that song? Well, it makes sense that he's singing the song because he's the owner. He's the person who made the song technically. Cause he's so fat, he looked like queso.